For annotating the book Night, what you're looking for specifically are inferred traits of the hero, the author, and also challenges that the hero faced. So when you're looking at the book, you're going to underline anything that helps you infer something about the traits or the challenges. So for example here, writer, teacher, he has to be kind of smart in order to do that, maybe analytical. Humanitarian activist, instead of humanitarian on the side, I should have put something like kind, selfless, driven. He's, he sought understanding for humankind's capacity for evil. I might write inquisitive. So you want to see trends. So if again it's studious shows he's smart, deeply religious, he's a man of faith. You want to show any repetition. So if I ask you to prove a claim that he was a man of faith, then you'd have to have as many examples as possible throughout the book. Moving through this, again, he works as a tutor, a translator. He goes above and beyond. He's hardworking. He used to be shy. He didn't want to write about the book. He's a survivor, which means he's resilient, speaks out, he's brave. One of the challenge is the terrible loss that he faced. These are all challenges, emotional and physical harm that he met with, et cetera, et cetera. So he's loyal, faithful. He also faced the challenge before writing the book that society wanted to hide from the truth. And he was brave enough to still write it, given that some people even denied it took place. So he, again, is determined and brave given those challenges.